Okay, quick question. When's the last time you personally were on your own website? Not realtor.com, not Zillow, not your MLS, your personal website. If we're honest, a lot of agents will say it's been a month, it's been 2 months, it's been 6 months. They kind of set it, they forget it, they think, oh, that looks pretty good, and then they're done with it. Here's the problem with that. Your clients won't use your website unless you do, unless you show them how to use it. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go on your website, you're gonna act as if you're a buyer, and you're gonna use your website, right? You're gonna walk people through how to use it. You're gonna learn to use it again yourself because it's been a while. Now, what I'd recommend you do is use Loom, Loom.com, recording yourself. So you're gonna do a quick video, how-to video of how to use your own website. You're gonna say, hey, guys, I'm so excited that we're working together. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of how to use my website to search the MLS. It'll make it really simple and really fun. I'm gonna give you a 2-minute kind of overview of how to use it. And they're gonna say, okay, here's how you start. You walk them through finding properties, creating searches, creating saved searches, and then what to do if they find a property on the list that they really like and they want to explore and learn more about or maybe go see. So you walk them through the whole process. It'll take 2 or 3 minutes maybe. Now, using Loom, it'll give you a URL, right? So that's an email address, or not email address, but a internet address where people can go watch the video now, right? So this is beautiful because now you can actually take that link, send it to your entire database. Okay, you're gonna send out an email, say, hey guys, I don't know if you've been on my website recently, but we've done some updates, I've been working on it, I'm kind of proud of it, and I created a little video of how to use my website if you've never done it before. If you're ever curious about real estate, go check it out. And by the way, I'd love to have you check it out and give you some critique. Tell me what's wrong with it, right? I want to fix it. So you're gonna send that out to your 2, 3, 4, 500 people in your database. You're gonna post that URL up to social media. You're gonna say the same exact thing, right? You can even post the video that you've done there. A lot of uses for this. Also gonna put that in my new buyer drip campaign. So of course I have a buyer video drip now. That's what I'm doing, right? I have 10 buyer video drips. That could be drip number 1, the first video they receive when they begin working with me. How to use my website, right? Hey guys, if you like this idea and you want a ton more, join us over at eRealEstateCoach.com. We've got an incredible coaching program over there called The Path, Performance Coaching. It's 20 straight weeks of coaching, me with you, one-on-one, every single day for 20 weeks to completely transform your business. And I know a lot of you watching this need help. You need to pivot. You're not making enough money, you're not closing enough deals, you're not taking enough listings, and you need some help. You need to get off the fence. You need to move your business in a different direction. This is gonna help you. It's gonna absolutely help you transform your business. 20 straight weeks with me, one-on-one. I'm gonna give you hundreds of downloads behind that you can use in your local market. And then I'm gonna give you 3 live coaching sessions every single week. So tremendous value. Plus a ton of social media assets that we deliver every single month to our students as well. First 2 weeks is free just to check it out. Hope to see you over there very soon. Have a great day. Good selling.